Hello friends. Today I show what is inside of super rare Russian military relay. And maybe we find some precious metals inside. This relay is a lot of parts inside. A lot of screws and bolts. I found white metal contacts. First, I check this contact with 96% nitric acid. If it made from silver or palladium, it's resolve in nitric acid. No reaction. Let's make Aqua Regia. Color of strong Aqua Regia is orange. Reaction start. After some time, test use zinc chloride. Positive color from platinum. Platinum is very difficult to dissolve in Aqua Regia. Aqua Regia need be super hot and concentrated. Problem is nitric acid evaporation at 83 degrees Celsius. The procedure is at 2 bars pressure and 100 degrees Celsius at 20 hours. Thanks for watching. Good luck.